A good laptop is no less than a magic wand in the hands of a coder. It's the tool that turns caffeine into code and ideas into software. A powerful processor, efficient memory, and comfortable keyboard can significantly enhance a coder's productivity and creativity. With the right laptop, complex coding tasks become a breeze, and multitasking transforms from a juggling act to a seamless process. Remember, choosing the right laptop can transform your coding journey from a struggle to a smooth sail. Meet the HP Pavilion Aero 16, a lightweight powerhouse designed for coding. When it comes to performance, the HP Pavilion Aero 16 is no slouch. This machine is powered by a robust AMD Ryzen 76800H processor, which boasts 8 cores and 16 threads. This ensures that it can handle complex coding projects and multitasking with ease. To complement this, the laptop is equipped with a generous 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, ensuring smooth operation even when running multiple coding tools and applications. But the Pavilion Aero 16 isn't just about power. It also shines in the design department. Sleek and lightweight, it weighs in at around 4.2 pounds, making it easy to carry around. The laptop sports a vibrant 16-inch OLED display that's perfect for displaying code clearly and in rich detail. This makes it an excellent choice for creative coding tasks. However, keep in mind that due to its thin profile, the laptop's thermal performance might be a bit limited. Battery life is a crucial factor for coders, and the Pavilion Aero 16 offers a decent run. It can last around 7 hours on a single charge, so you might want to consider carrying a charger if you plan to code on the go for extended periods. As for the keyboard, it's backlit and offers good key travel, making for a comfortable typing experience. This is an essential feature for coders who spend long hours typing. Lastly, let's talk about graphics. The Pavilion Aero 16 comes with an integrated AMD Radeon graphics card. While it's suitable for basic visuals, it may not be the best choice for heavy graphics work or machine learning. In summary, the HP Pavilion Aero 16 packs a punch in a sleek package, making it a worthy contender for your coding companion. It combines powerful processing capabilities, a vibrant display, and a comfortable keyboard into a lightweight design, making it a great choice for coders on the go. On the other side, we have the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 7 Pro, a robust machine built for demanding coding tasks. Powered by the 12th generation Intel Core i7 12700H processor, this laptop boasts an impressive 14 cores and 20 threads, providing a performance powerhouse for those complex coding tasks that require a bit more oomph. This is coupled with a generous 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, ensuring that multitasking during coding sessions is as smooth as butter. When it comes to the design, the IdeaPad Slim 7 Pro offers a sturdier build quality compared to its HP counterpart, weighing in at approximately 4.5 pounds, but don't let that weight fool you. This laptop is designed with the coder's comfort in mind. The keyboard is renowned for its ergonomics and comfort, making it an ideal choice for those long coding hours. The display, though being IPS and not OLED, is still of high quality, providing clear visuals for your coding needs. One of the standout features of the IdeaPad Slim 7 Pro is its superior battery life. This laptop can go for around 10 hours on a single charge, making it a better option if you need extended coding sessions without the need to plug in. And let's not forget the graphics card. Unlike the HP Pavilion Aero 16, the IdeaPad Slim 7 Pro offers an optional NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 graphics card in some configurations. This can be a game changer if you're working with graphics libraries or dabbling in machine learning. In summary, the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 7 Pro is a well-rounded machine that promises performance and durability. It offers a sturdy build, long battery life, comfortable keyboard, and the option for a dedicated graphics card for specific coding tasks. The Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 7 Pro promises performance and durability, ticking many boxes for a coder's laptop. Now that we've met our contenders, let's put them head to head. The HP Pavilion Aero 16 and the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 7 Pro are both powerful machines under $1,500, with some notable differences. The HP Pavilion Aero 16 runs on an AMD Ryzen 76800H processor with 8 cores and 16 threads. This makes it a competent machine for complex coding projects and heavy multitasking. With a generous 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM, it ensures smooth operation even when running multiple coding tools and applications simultaneously. Its lightweight design and 16-inch OLED display make it visually appealing and ideal for displaying code in a clear, vibrant manner. But remember, the sleekness comes with a slight compromise on thermal performance. The battery life is decent, lasting around 7 hours on a single charge. If you code on the go for extended periods, you might want to keep a charger handy. On the other hand, the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 7 Pro is powered by a 12th Gen Intel Core i7-12700H processor with 14 cores and 20 threads, offering excellent performance for demanding coding tasks. Like the HP Pavilion, it also boasts 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM for smooth multitasking. The IdeaPad has a sturdier build quality and weighs slightly more than the HP Aero. It doesn't have an OLED display, but the IPS display still does a good job. The keyboard is known for its ergonomics and comfort, making it ideal for long coding hours. Additionally, its battery life is superior, lasting around 10 hours on a single charge. When it comes to graphics, the HP Pavilion Aero 16 has an integrated AMD Radeon graphics for basic visuals, while the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 7 Pro offers an optional NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 graphics card. This makes the Lenovo a better choice if you work with graphics libraries or perform machine learning tasks. In summary, both laptops have their strengths. The HP Pavilion Aero 16 stands out for its lightweight design and vibrant OLED display, while the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 7 Pro excels in terms of battery life, build quality, and the option for a dedicated graphics card. Both laptops offer impressive features, but your choice will ultimately depend on your coding needs and preferences. So, how do you choose between the HP Pavilion Aero 16 and the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 7 Pro? This question may have been looming in your mind throughout our discussion. Both these laptops pack a punch and can be a coder's best friend. But their strengths lie in different areas, and understanding these can help you make an informed choice. Let's summarize our comparison. The HP Pavilion Aero 16 excels with its lightweight design and vibrant OLED display. It's powered by an AMD Ryzen 7-6800H processor and has a generous 16 GB of DDR4 RAM. If you're a coder who values portability and a clear, vibrant display for your code, this could be your go-to machine. However, its battery life and lack of a dedicated graphics card might limit its appeal to some. On the other hand, the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 7 Pro comes with a sturdy build and a comfortable keyboard. It's driven by a robust 12th Gen Intel Core i7-12700H processor and also has 16 GB of DDR4 RAM. If you're looking for a machine that can handle demanding coding tasks, offer comfort during long coding hours, and provide a long battery life, this one's for you. An optional NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 graphics card in some configurations makes it more appealing to those working with graphics libraries or machine learning. When choosing between these two, think about your coding requirements. Do you need a lightweight laptop with a vibrant display? Or do you prefer a sturdy build, long battery life, and the option of a dedicated graphics card? These considerations will guide your decision. And of course, don't forget about other factors like display refresh rate, available ports, warranty options, and brand reputation. Your perfect coding companion will be the one that checks off most, if not all, of your boxes. Remember, the best laptop for you is the one that meets your coding needs and fits your lifestyle. That wraps up our comparison of two compelling laptops for coders. If you're eager to dig deeper into each laptop's specifications and features, be sure to check the links in our video description. As you make your decision, remember to consider other important factors like display refresh rate, available ports, warranty options, and brand reputation. These elements can make a significant difference in your coding experience. Don't forget to subscribe to PowerTech for more tech videos. Happy coding!